Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix an Xbox One controller that won't sync with your Xbox One. So as you can see here, the light on my Xbox One controller is blinking, and when I make any movements on my controller, it does not do anything to my Xbox One. So it's not synced or connected. Now in this tutorial I'll show you 3 different methods that you can try to fix a controller that is not syncing with your Xbox One. All right, so for the first method, we're just gonna put the Xbox One controller in sync mode and then put our Xbox One in sync mode as well. And hopefully if nothing's wrong, they should sync. So if your controller is blinking like mine, where it's blinking kind of slow, that means that it is not connected and that there might be an error. Now, if it is blinking fast or rapid, that means that it is in sync mode and you can actually sync it with your Xbox One. So to put our Xbox One controller in sync mode, all we need to do is find the button at the top of the controller that looks kind of like this and hold that down until it starts rapidly blinking. So as you can see, just a second or two, and that'll put it in what's called bind mode. So now it's ready to bind with our Xbox One. So now that we have our controller blinking rapidly, all we need to do is right under this button on the controller, there should be another button. Go ahead and hold that down for a couple seconds. And as you can see, they will stop blinking together. And now they're synced and my Xbox One controller is controlling my Xbox One. All right, so if for some reason that method did not work, the next method we can use to fix a controller that won't sync with your Xbox One, and this method will require a micro USB cable. So as you can see, something like this, like an older cell phone would use, what we're gonna do is first plug the Type A connector right here into your Xbox, so into the front right here. Then simply plug the cable into the back of the Xbox One controller. It should vibrate, and then after a few seconds, the light will turn solid on your Xbox One controller, and you are now paired. So I can now move things around on my screen. And if I disconnect it, it'll take a quick second and it'll repair with the Xbox One, and then you can start using it for whatever you want to do with gaming. Now, if for some reason when you use the cable that does not work, what I recommend doing is taking the batteries out of your Xbox One controller, leaving them out for about a minute, then unplugging your Xbox One for about a minute, then put the batteries back in your controller, plug in your Xbox One, turn it on, and then connect the USB cable and go through that process again, because it might just be some sort of memory issue with your Xbox One. All right, so that's how you fix an Xbox One controller that won't sync. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.